Welcome to the Weather Centre on Saturday, where a strong ridging high pushes in over the eastern part of South Africa. It brings in moisture, cloudy and cooler weather over the eastern part of South Africa, resulting in a cooler Saturday with the cloudy conditions and the possibility of rainfall in the northeast, and we're forecasting rain along the east coast. Thundershowers are expected from the northwest province all the way through to the eastern interior, with a dry forecast as we head towards the Eastern Cape, and we're forecasting sunny and hot weather over the western part of South Africa, with a high fire danger warning in the west, and there's also a watch for the potential for severe thunderstorm developments over the western part of the northwest. In fact, we're expecting a 60% chance of thunderstorms over the western part of the northwest, with isolated thundershowers as we head towards the Free State and the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal. We're expecting rain along the east coast, with the possibility of rainfall for Limpopo and parts of Mpumalanga, with the possibility of light rain or drizzle over northern KZN, Gauteng and parts of Mpumalanga. You'll see much cooler weather over the northeastern part of South Africa on Saturday. Highs head into the mid-20s for Pretoria, Mahikeng and Phalaborwa, and low 20s for Johannesburg, Omelo and Bombela. A chilly day for Polokwane at only 18 degrees. Still warm for Bloemfontein at 30, 22 as we head towards Bethlehem, Vryheid and Pietermaritzburg, and we're also expecting highs in the low 20s from Grahamstown all the way through into Mthatha, but with a recovery of those maximums for Queenstown at 26. 24 for Durban and Richards Bay with a moderate northeasterly wind. You'll see a strong easterly wind for Port Elizabeth at 22 degrees, and we're expecting a 1.5 metre southerly swell at 8 seconds along the east coast. 29 for Graaff-Reinet and Beaufort West. A hot day is forecast throughout the Western Cape. 33 for Worcester and Robertson, and a toasty 40 degrees as we head towards Vredendal. You'll see a high of 28 for Muizenberg with a strong southeasterly wind. We're forecasting a fresh to strong east-southeasterly wind along the coast from Jeffreys Bay all the way through to Hermanus, with maximums mainly in the low 20s, and along the south coast we can expect a 2 metre southerly swell at 9 seconds. 37 is your high for Uppington, 28 for Colesberg and Sutherland, 32 degrees for Kimberley, with a hot Saturday afternoon for Springbok at 34. And as we head towards the coast, you'll see a high of 33 degrees for Cape Town with a fresh southerly wind on Table Bay side. More of a southwester as we head towards Lambert's Bay with a fresh southerly breeze for Alexander Bay at 33. And along the west coast, we can expect a 1.5 metre southerly swell at 8 seconds. Our extended forecast shows a recovery in the maximums in the northeast on Sunday, with thundershowers over the central and northeastern part of South Africa, but with a sunny and sizzling hot forecast in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Saturday.